Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XOG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line up there is coming from. And this is where the first update also comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So yes, going into the day, that level was ideally a level of support, but it was broken down below. So now at this point, and yeah, it's relevant up there, but it doesn't really pertain because it's so far up above. But what I'm going to do here is now adjust this level down to the newest area of resistance, and right there at 38 cents. And not to insult your intelligence, but whenever levels of resistance are, moved and need to be moved in the downwards direction, not exactly a sign of good, not exactly a sign of bullishness in any stretch of the imagination. You want to see resistance levels needing to be adjusted higher, not lower. But moral of the story here, from more so the trading standpoint, is that if there is any sort of bounce to the upside, 38 cents is certainly going to be that first key level that'll need to be broken if there's any chance at all at any worthwhile, upwards momentum being formed. So 38 cents definitely going to be an area that a lot of people are watching. Now, as far as next potential areas of support are concerned, this is just so hard to see. Let's do this. Let's actually just change this to the daily time frame to make this a bit easier to see. Because really the next level of support, not until down here around this previous breakout point, which sits at about 30 cents. And then after 30 cents, you're essentially looking at these all-time lows down here around the 27-cent mark. But as far as the general chart is concerned, this is what we would call a good old-fashioned pump and dump. Price made an awesome move to the upside. Fantastic move to the upside. And now it's quite literally gone right back to where it all started. But, and this will mean a little bit more to those that have traded for a while, if you have seen these pump and dump type movements, you know that there can be some pretty big snapback type reactions. So we'll see if anything like that occurs. But yeah, as of right now, basically the wheels have officially fallen off the bus. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.